Okay, so using match in Rust. Line 7, match user ID. So user ID we declare on line 4. And we're going to check if it's equal to 9 on line 8. So we're expecting it to print user ID is 9. Line 9 won't execute. And when we get down to line 13, user ID is not equal to 3. So line 14 won't run. Else user ID is not 3. So line 16 should run as well. So let's just compile that and cargo run main.rs. So for a change, I'm not using code runner, although code runner is easier because you just click up here. But if you're more familiar with using command line, there you go. And there we say user ID is 9, which comes from line 8, and user ID is not 3, which comes from line 16. So match, it checks if it's 9. If it's not 9, then it will basically it'll print out. I just don't know why I put 9.5 there. Let's try 9. So if we change that from 9 to say 12, we run it again. This time we would expect line 9 to run instead. And there we go. So this time line 9 has successfully run and user ID is not 3, so it still knows that user ID is not 3. So line 9 and line 16 run. That's how to use match. So just remember the default. You always need the default case, which actually needs to come last, and you can just use the underscore. If we move that up to here, and say we can get rid of this if else now. I'll just remove that temporarily. Now, if we run this, let's show you what will happen. Unreachable pattern. Because we've put the default first. So always put the default at the end. If we do that, run it again, and you can see it's happy. So always put the underscore for the default and put a case at the end to handle anything which has not been captured by anything above it. For instance, here you could put another line, you could put 6. Let's just put 6 there, and we hope that we will capture that. There we go. So it's 6. So that was the line which successfully ran. So that's how to use match with Rust. And just remember to put an underscore for your default if all else fails. And you've also seen how to use cargo fmt just to tidy your code up. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video very soon.